Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make snare rolls in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with using snare rolls in GarageBand. So the first thing I'm going to do guys is go ahead and find the drum kit right here. So you're going to be adding the snare rolls to your drum kit obviously. So what you want to do is find the drums right here in the instrument section, and now you want to go ahead and open them. Before you do that, you want to select what kind of drums you want to use. So you can click on the more sounds effect right here, and you have electronic drums, acoustic, and so on. Once you're done, click on done, and you can now go ahead and open up your drums right here. And this is where it's going to go ahead and open up this recording menu, where we have the recording button at the top of the screen. We can get started recording. As you can see, we can play our music and so on. So basically guys, you can add all of your effects right here, and this is where you can get started with adding your snare effects. So in the upper left corner, we can click on this button in the middle that's going to open up this track mode, where we can see we can add and edit all the tracks we have, and one of them is our drums right here. So you can see here at the top of the screen we have the effects options as well as the sliders option that's going to enable us to access the track settings, plugins, equalizer, master effects, and so on. This is what you want to do to get started with adding your snare effects and to get your desired effects as well as your track right here after you have played everything you want, so you can get your desired sound effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.